loves, and welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are having a wonderful day so far. So today I created this kind of like fun Valentine's Day look. It's typically not something you would see for Valentine's Day. I was inspired by this look that I had seen on Instagram a while back. This is what it looks like, but I went ahead and added more of a pinky tone to it to make it more of like a Valentine's Day feel. I'm definitely liking the way it came out. I know it was my first time attempting this type of look, so I know I can do better, but at least next time I'll have more of an idea on how to create this look. If you guys want to see how I created this look, then just stick around and keep on watching.
Alrighty, my loves, let's go ahead and get started. For eyeshadow primer today, I'm going to be using my Too Faced 24-Hour Insurance eyeshadow primer. And today I'm going to be utilizing my Modern Renaissance palette from Anastasia Beverly Hills. We're going to go ahead with Vita, I believe is how you pronounce it, and dust this all over the lids. If you've been watching my channel consistently, you already know I do this to help me better blend out my shadows. Now going in with Bon Fresco, I'm going to go ahead and use this as my transition color. Going in with Valentine Red, I believe is how you pronounce it. I'm going to go ahead and start building up the pink that I want. I'm going to be applying this into my crease and kind of winging it out at the end. And then I'm also going to start making like a V shape, you know, kind of like that winged tail. Doing the same thing with Love Letter, just using a different brush. I'm going to continue to build up that pink color. Once I feel that I have had the good amount of pink built up, which I didn't by the way, I'm going to go ahead and start creating my cut crease. As always, I'm going to be using my NYX eyeshadow base. And ladies, please go ahead and take your time doing this. This is not easy, especially when you're trying to make both eyes look exactly the same. Doesn't matter how long you take, just, you know, take your time. Okay, once I'm done with that, I'm going to go ahead and set it just with my setting powder. Now I'm going to go in with this beautiful shade right here, which is from ColourPop. This is in the shade Liberty. It's one of their Super Shock shadows. It's in a metallic finish. I absolutely love it. It's gorgeous. Now I'm just going to take a flat synthetic brush. This one's from Morphe, and I'm just going to go ahead and pack on patting motions that color. It is super intense. Now because I want to bring out the pink back out, I'm going to take this small detailing brush, which is also from Morphe, going back into Love Letter and just bringing out that pink further. Ladies, when you're trying to create this look, please don't do as me. Don't be shy. Pack on that pink color because you want it to show through. Now I'm going back in with Valentine Red with a pencil brush and just further smoking it out so that it kind of looks like, you know, I overdid it on the pink. Kind of what I was going for. Now moving on to the face, I'm going to be using my Too Faced Hangover RX primer. And for foundation today, I'm going to be using my Wet n Wild Photo Focus. I'm going to go ahead and color correct. I'm going to be using my Becca Under Eye Brightener. And for concealer today, I'm going to be using my L'Oreal Inflatable, something like that, Pro Glow. I actually really like this one, but I still prefer the Maybelline Fit Me Concealer over it. And I'm going to go ahead and set that with the IT Bye Bye Pores Pressed Powder. I'm going to go ahead and contour using my Wet n Wild contour stick. Then I'm going to go ahead and blend that out with my Real Techniques contour brush. For bronzer today, I'm going to be using my Pure Cosmetics bronzer. I think it's their minimal bronzer or something like that. I'll leave it in the description box below. And for blush today, I'm going to be using my Milani Baked Blush in a Luminoso, or Luminoso, something like that. We're going to go ahead and clean up that contour using my NYX Set It Don't Fret It mineral powder. Again, I'm going to leave this on for about a minute and then I go ahead and dust it off. I am not baking. For highlight today, I'm going to be using my Nicole Guerrero Glow Kit. Absolutely love this palette. We're going to go ahead and mix Kitty Cat and Forever Young. We're definitely going to be beaming to the gods. Now moving back to the eyes, taking the same pencil brush, I'm going to go back into Valentine Red and smoke out that lower lash line. Going back into my glow kit, I'm going to use this white shade here, I forgot what it was called, and apply that into the inner corners just to go ahead and brighten it up. Now I'm going to go ahead and brighten up my brow bone using Vermeer, I believe is how it's pronounced. Now I'm going to take my ColourPop Glitterita. Absolutely love this. It's basically compacted glitter. I just wanted my eyes to pop more than they were already popping, so I just patted that right on top of it. For eyelashes today, I'm going to be using my Cosmic Lashes and Cosmic Naturals. Normally, I typically really like these lashes, but these were way too long and way too sparse. I honestly didn't like them. I'm going to be using my NYX Jumbo Eye Pencil, and I'm going to apply this right into the waterline. And this is in the shade Milk Latte. And for lipstick today, I'm going to be using one from Milani. This is the Nude Cream number 26. This is a perfect pinky nude shade. I absolutely love it. Now we're going to go ahead and finish off this look by setting it with an Urban Decay setting spray. And that basically completes today's looks, my love. If you guys truly enjoyed this video, please give this video a thumbs up. Leave me some comments down below on what you would like to see next. And if you haven't already, don't forget to subscribe. Until next time, my loves. Bye!